Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Porsche Panamera. This four-door sedan has an 8-cylinder, 4.8-liter V8 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Porsche has less than 78,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include Bluetooth, automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.